Parents of a former candidate for the Kansas legislature are hoping that a bill named in his honor will strengthen the existing laws on scams and sextortion. It's been exactly 1 year since Taylor Dean took his own life within hours of being caught up in a dating scam. Fox 4's Dave DeMarco joins us live with the first ever interview of his parents on their heartbreaking loss.
Taylor Dean took his life after sending money to what he thought was an attorney and authorities in the Carolinas, but it turned out it was all just a scam. People were shocked last Memorial Day weekend to learn Taylor Dean took his wife 3 days after his 29th birthday. The 2022 candidate for the Kansas State House was a mental health advocate in the union. He told coworkers the Friday before Memorial Day weekend he was excited for a date with a woman he just started chatting with on a dating app. At 12:30 that day, he left work abruptly.
I sent him a text message as we were wrapping up for the holiday weekend, "Are you okay?" And he sent me back just a no, and I asked him, I said, "Well, what do you need?" And he said, "I think an attorney."
By 3:30 that day, another friend would get a text that read, "Tell my mom I love her, it's over." Thinking it just didn't add up, Dean's parents started looking into his receipts and phone records.
Between 12:30 and the time that he took his life, which was around 3:30, there were over 30 text messages and phone calls.
They found the text messages that started on his birthday with the woman from the dating app, a woman who didn't exist.
R-rated pictures and then X-rated pictures and X-rated videos.
And would learn from investigators, scammers cloned a North Carolina Police Department's phone number, saying he'd been exchanging photos with someone they claimed was underage and demanded money.
In his mind, he had done something, illegal that was going to ruin his political career, ruin his career in the union, and really he had done nothing but was getting scammed by someone.
He wired $1,500 to a Walmart in South Carolina, then ended his life within 3 hours of when the ordeal started.
The way we look at it, our son was killed by scammers.
Dean's parents say they were told by police they were not able to track down the people behind the sextortion. And by prosecutors, the case would be difficult to try under Kansas law anyway. And as a result, they've since worked with Kansas lawmakers to create the Taylor Dean Act, making aggravated sexual extortion a crime when it leads to bodily harm or death, and strengthening other penalties. Now, it didn't get a hearing this year, but they're hoping to refile that next session.